Claudia back again. We're going to show you how to make a volcano. Maybe you'd like to incorporate it to your rainforest module.
So our kids want to help to make the volcano. We want to use Play-Doh. We made the recipe. We sent it the recipe in the first package. You can use that one. There we go.
It is weird. Touch it. Is it squishy?
Elijah?
It looks like slime.
It looks like slime.
It's a Play-Doh?
Yes, it's Play-Doh.
It's Play-Doh.
It's volcanic Play-Doh. We're gonna make volcano.
It sticks to my hand.
It sticks to your hand.
Andrew and Sarai. Yes, it's a little bit hot. Okay, friends. We're gonna put the Play-Doh around the bottle. Okay?
Do you guys know what a volcano looks like?
No.
No? It's kind of like a
Look,
mountain.
what about this?
The volcano.
You can
Yes.
you can make it like this. Okay, want to try to do one like this.
I want one.
See,
I
that's,
want-
Play-Doh
that's
all
your
around the bottle of
example,
water.
and then you guys can just follow that. Can you guys do that? Can you
Yeah.
make it look like the other one? Good job.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you for helping out.
Ugh, gooey.
Come on, Elijah. For this way, babe.
Put it all over the bottle.
You just get a piece and then you
Andrew,
put it.
ponlo.
Yeah, you gotta build like
Dámelo,
a
Gaby.
mountain on it.
Hey, neighbor.
Be careful.
Careful.
It's okay, it's okay, guys.
Even on the cup?
Well,
Yeah.
yes, on the cup.
On the
babe.
cup too.
I want to put it in the cup.
Like this.
Not inside the cup, just around the cup, okay?
Okay. Neighbor, don't put all there.
If you
Be
need help,
nice
guys,
with
just
our
let me
friends,
know.
please.
I definitely need
Give yourself some space.
You need help too?
I need help putting it on.
You need help putting it on?
Yeah. You just grab a piece.
Yeah. Try
There
tearing
you go,
off a
babe.
piece and then maybe. See, there you go. Good job.
Ow! Everyone's taking my straws.
Oh, sorry,
You
Elijah.
can ask your friends. Tell them, excuse me, please.
Excuse me.
Good job, Elijah.
Put it right here. Sorry. Put it right here, babe.
No, not inside. Not inside. Aquí, mi amor.
Oh, this is slimy. Like slime.
It is. It's a bit squishy, but that's we had to do it that way. That way it sticks on the cup. Okay, so we're almost done. Okay, so if you have no more Play-Doh left, let's give it some space. Please scoot back. Thank you,
So you
Savior.
can help me
Thank
to
you,
put
Ronnie.
it right here. What about?
Where's the volcano?
You're making it.
Oh, there. Next to that volcano.
Okay, Mr. Xavier, take a step
Now
back, babe.
we're gonna have two
Since you have no more Play-Doh.
For us. I want the tree branch. I want the zip blown up.
Yes.
Yes,
That's the
of
next
course.
step. That's what you guys are gonna do next.
With that?
Yes, some food coloring and other ingredients that we're gonna
put
show you in just a bit. Okay.
This was so sticky. The tree
Your hands are
branch.
so
You
sticky.
got him, babe.
Look at
Okay.
the
I see.
Let me see.
Just
Isabella.
rub your hands together.
Like this.
Yeah.
Feel like this.
Like that. Good job.
Good,
See?
Elijah.
See how fun that is? And it comes right off. Good job. That is a beautiful volcano. I love it.
I'm making a few deer.
Good job, friends.
You guys did awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. So now we're going to move on to the second step. We're going to start off with ours. And then we'll show you.
Mommy, I want to put the tree branch.
I light it.
More.
Now, we're gonna put baking soda inside. See? And food coloring. We put red food coloring.
Scoot back, friends.
I like red.
Scoot back,
You see
friends.
the red?
Everybody
Scoot
scoot
back,
back.
friends.
We do not need to take a peek inside. You're going to see it come out, okay? So don't worry
It
about
doesn't rubbed up. A rock.
it. You got to scoot back, okay? Remember, give it some space because you guys don't want to get dirty.
Okay. See.
Sí, por favor.
Red.
Now, friends, we want to add
Water.
vinegar.
I want some.
Maisha.
Wait for Miss Gabby and Ms. Claudia to tell you guys.
Be careful, okay?
Pues que hagan tres
Ajá.
y tres,
Tres
¿no?
y tres.
Okay. So you three will put it inside this volcano, and you three will put it inside the
Then
other one. Okay?
Running. There you
So
go, babe.
it's just simple
Are
ingredients.
you ready,
food
guys?
coloring,
I can just stand up.
baking soda and vinegar.
Maisha, you're right here, babe.
You,
You wanna use that one?
you three are here.
Ready?
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up, please.
I wonder where she
Okay, Xavier, put your head away from it a little bit, babe. You don't need to be that close.
Yeah, because I should have the corner.
It's okay if it does. Baking soda won't hurt you, baby.
You just drink it and taste it.
It doesn't taste
It's
like
all rub on you. So do not get close.
Okay, ready?
to it.
¿Quién dijo que sí funciona eso? Dijo tu tío. ¿Sí? Okay.
We're gonna
We're
try a
gonna
different
add-
tactic.
A lizard. Where? Over there behind you.
Look, guys.
Look, friends.
It's erupting.
Wow.
It's a toothy. Can we try vinegar?
Yes.
Okay,
now
try
you
with the
can try
vinegar.
Try it.
Guys.
Done.
Ronnie, come put your vinegar.
No,
It's
Ronnie.
the vinegar. It has to be the vinegar.
see?
All right, bye guys. I'll see you later.
Yes, it's a
Sandra.
It's erupting.
Wow. Let me see that one.
Whoa.
Okay, take a step back, friends.
Ryan, go pour it in.
There we go.
Whoa.
Yay. So our vinegar didn't work because it was cleaning vinegar rather than the original stuff. We apologize. But it could all be fixed with a soda.
Yeah. It's erupting.
And that's
Look.
it. And thank you.
Oh, God, put it in
Everybody say thank you.
Bye-bye, friends.
you.